Welcome, Sandberg Tigers. Welcome back to Ms. Jaco's art workshop. Today what we're going to do is we are going to make a crayon etching. An etching is an artwork that's scratched on to another surface. So we're going to get started. A crayon etching is, like I said before, an artwork that's scratched onto another surface. Here's my finished example. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is we're going to get started by having our desk or table set up so that it's covered with paper, because this can get messy and we don't want crayon crumbs on the floor. Okay, so we have this set up. I have a trash can to the left of my desk so that any crumbs that you see, you make sure they get thrown away right away. We're going to start out with a piece of white paper and crayons. Okay, that's basically what we're going to need. And you're going to make sure that you have nicely, brightly colored crayons. So you're going to just start by coloring in little shapes. It can be squares, it can be rounded, okay? They don't have to be all the same size, but you want really nice and bright colors. So you keep on doing that, okay? And you want to make sure to color it all the way in and color it nice and hard. You don't want to do it really lightly like this because it doesn't turn out. So we have had this, and we keep on doing that with bright colors until our paper is filled up. The next step we're going to do is we are going to get a black crayon, and as you see here, I have gone over this part here with black crayon, and I'm going to color this part right here. I'm going to cover this, and you're going to color over all of the crayon, okay, with your black crayon. Now you notice that it gets a little bit of crumbs, so you just very carefully kind of dust off the crumbs as you go along, and then you keep coloring. What you want to see is okay, paper that looks covered up like this. You're still going to see little dots of color, but that's okay. So once you have this whole paper covered with black crayon, the next step is you are going to etch, just like you see here. So here, I'm going to color this in so that's totally covered up, and you are going to pick things to use to etch. For example, I'm using a plastic knife. So if you go like this and you scratch it out, you can see the crayon, the beautiful color showing up underneath. You see here, that's what I did to make this flower. You can use all kinds of different things. You know, I have here a plastic fork, and you have some nice textures going on from that. I have a spoon. For those of you, the older students, you can use scissors, okay? And the design that you make is totally up to you. And I want to show you the finished product, okay, right here. And I made all kinds of different designs using different scratching tools. Now when you're finished, what you're going to do is you're going to gently get your paper and let the black crumbs get on your desk, not on the floor, and then you're going to carefully get these papers and get the crumbs in the trash can, okay? You're going to have crayon on your hands, so make sure to completely get the crayon crumbs off your hands. And this is something that you can do all sorts of different ways, and I hope you enjoy doing your crayon.